Imagine sipping your way to healthier nerves. Yes, it's possible, and today I'm revealing 9 incredible drinks that can do wonders for nerve repair and health. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into a fascinating topic: nerve health. Nerve pain, tingling, numbness, and even muscle weakness can seriously disrupt daily life, affecting everything from mobility to mental focus. Nerve damage can happen for many reasons: injuries, diabetes, infections, and even stress. But here's the good news: certain natural drinks contain powerful nutrients that can support nerve repair, ease pain, and boost overall nerve health. So, if you're dealing with nerve issues or just want to protect your nerves, stick around because we'll go over 9 drinks packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and vitamins that can help. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more health-boosting content. Green tea is well known for its rich antioxidant content, especially catechins, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, two major factors that contribute to nerve damage. Green tea's antioxidants help guard nerve cells against free radical damage, which can prevent neurodegenerative conditions and promote nerve health. Studies have shown that drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can improve blood circulation and oxygen flow to the brain and nervous system, both of which are essential for nerve repair. Improved blood flow means your nerves receive the nutrients they need for healing and regeneration. The neuroprotective properties of green tea make it an excellent addition to any diet focused on nerve health. Turmeric golden milk harnesses the anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is highly effective at reducing inflammation, which can alleviate nerve pain and support the healing process. Golden milk, traditionally made with turmeric, milk, often plant-based, and black pepper, is both comforting and medicinal. The black pepper is essential because it contains piperine, a compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it even more effective. Sipping on golden milk, especially before bed, can promote relaxation and support nerve health as you rest. This ancient remedy has been trusted for centuries and is now recognized as a natural way to encourage nerve repair and overall well-being. Beetroot juice is a top choice for supporting nerve health due to its high nitrate content. When consumed, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, which helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout the body, including to damaged nerves. Good circulation is essential for nerve repair as it ensures nerves get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Beetroot juice is also rich in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which help reduce oxidative damage and inflammation around nerve tissues. To maximize benefits, opt for freshly pressed beetroot juice, which retains high levels of its beneficial compounds. Adding beetroot juice to your routine can be an effective, natural way to encourage nerve repair and promote overall nerve health. Blueberries are antioxidant powerhouses, rich in anthocyanins that provide robust neuroprotective effects. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a key contributor to nerve damage, and can help preserve nerve function over time. A blueberry smoothie is a delicious and convenient way to enjoy these benefits. To boost its nerve-supporting qualities, blend blueberries with other nutrient-rich ingredients like spinach, almond milk, and chia seeds, all of which contribute vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that benefit nerve health. Enjoying a blueberry smoothie regularly can offer an easy and tasty way to nourish your nervous system and support nerve repair. Chamomile tea is well loved for its calming effects, but did you know it also offers significant benefits for nerve health? Known for its anti-inflammatory and relaxing properties, chamomile tea helps soothe nerve pain, reduce inflammation, and create an optimal healing environment for nerves. Compounds like apigenin in chamomile have been shown to aid relaxation and reduce anxiety, making chamomile tea a great bedtime beverage. Relaxation is key to managing nerve pain and promoting healing. Chamomile's gentle but effective anti-inflammatory properties can reduce pressure and discomfort, making it a wonderful, natural choice for anyone dealing with nerve issues. Bone broth offers a wealth of benefits for nerve health, largely due to its collagen, amino acids, and mineral content. Collagen is particularly beneficial as it helps repair and regenerate the myelin sheath, the protective layer around nerves crucial for signal transmission. Bone broth is rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine, all of which support nerve tissue repair and reduce inflammation. The minerals in bone broth, like calcium and magnesium, are essential for a healthy nervous system. For the best results, homemade bone broth is recommended as it retains the most nutrients. Drinking bone broth regularly can give your body the building blocks it needs for nerve repair and overall nerve health. Ginger tea is another powerhouse drink with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support nerve health. Compounds like gingerol and shogal in ginger work to reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Ginger tea is particularly beneficial for those dealing with nerve pain or neuropathy, as it enhances blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach damaged nerves for repair. Its warming effect can provide relief from nerve discomfort. And combining ginger tea with lemon or honey can add extra soothing benefits. Regular consumption of ginger tea can be a powerful, natural way to support nerve health and promote overall well-being. Dark chocolate cocoa, especially with high cacao content, is loaded with flavonoids that support nerve health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds protect nerve cells from damage and support nerve repair. Dark chocolate also enhances brain function by improving blood flow, which benefits both the brain and nervous system. For the best benefits, choose cocoa with at least 70% cacao. A warm cup of dark chocolate cocoa is not only delicious but also a powerful ally for your nerves, providing both comfort and health benefits. Aloe vera juice is hydrating and packed with B vitamins, including B1, B2, B6, and B12, which are essential for nerve health. B vitamins aid in neurotransmitter production and help maintain the myelin sheath, protecting nerve cells and ensuring proper signal transmission. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation around damaged nerves, promoting a healing environment. To maximize benefits, choose pure, organic aloe vera juice without added sugars. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your daily routine can support nerve repair, reduce discomfort, and provide overall nerve health benefits. In today's video, we explored 9 incredible drinks that can support nerve repair and enhance overall nerve health. From the antioxidant-rich green tea to the nutrient-dense bone broth, each of these drinks offers unique benefits that contribute to reduced inflammation, nerve cell protection, and regeneration. These natural beverages are packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and essential nutrients that can help manage nerve damage and support recovery. By incorporating these drinks into your routine, you're taking proactive steps to strengthen your nervous system and improve nerve health naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting content.